You have updated your resume on the various platform. आपने आपके CV भी बहुत employers को भेज दिए, but there is no reply from you. Recruiters are not seeing your profile. But what if I say, is it possible recruiter will have the visibility about your profile very easily and they will come behind you? Is it possible? Yes, it's absolutely possible. LinkedIn is the platform where recruiters are easily accessing your data. So what you need to do, you have to improvise your LinkedIn profile. And what I am going to do, I'm going to share few strategies, 5 to 6 strategies about the LinkedIn, how you can improvise your LinkedIn profile. So by enhancing your profile, by adding certain tweaks, recruiters will start recognizing you. So watch this video until the end, because other than the strategies, I'm going to share some tips also जिससे आपको और ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा, because those tips I learn it while teaching, while guiding to candidates, and I implemented it on my profile also. So stay tuned until the end to get the few more tips. Hello everyone, I am Tejaswita and welcome to my channel, that is a Pro Career Ignition, and I am your re-entry coach, that is specifically for the career, and I am in the mission to help women who wanted to restart their career. So over 18 years of experience into the recruitment industry, work as a recruiter, I know what exactly recruiter is looking. And now the trend has changed. Recruiters are more visibly, they are more considering your profile from the LinkedIn, rather than you're sending your profile physically on the email. So what happened, basically the recruiters, they checking your resume, but same time they go and check on the LinkedIn also. So why to wait? If you are in the position to look for a new opportunity, whether you wanted to restart your career or you are already on the job and you are looking for the new opportunity, these certain tips are going to help you to enhance your LinkedIn profile. As I said, due to my experience, I have helped so many candidates to build on their LinkedIn profile, and I have seen, like, by making a small changes or small tweak in their profile, they are able to land up into their dream job. So in this video, I'm going to give you the 6 to 7 strategy how you can improvise your LinkedIn profile, and along with that, certain pro tips which will help you to reach easily, or recruiter will come back to you asking for the share your profile, proper profile to you. So let's deep dive into this. So let's talk about the first strategy. So optimize your headline with the keywords. So मैंने काफ़ी बार देखा है, the people who are creating their profile or who already have the profile, उन लोग particular designation लिख के नाम छोड़ देते हैं. So what happened? Recruiters are not able to understand along with that particular position designation आप जो hold कर रहे हो और you have worked previously, उसके साथ आपने कौन से skill set develop किए हैं. So if you are optimizing properly headline and keyword, what exactly the recruiter is looking, because आपको भी पता है कि when recruiters are searching profile, they are utilizing certain keywords which are representing, which is required for that particular job role. So if you are putting that particular keyword in next to your particular job designation, it is easier for the recruiter. समझ के लेने को बहुत easy होता है. It is easier for the recruiter. So for example, if you are Java developer, just for example, so you can say slash you are having a skill set into the Python, Java, or many other languages which you have learned. If you are the marketing specialist, don't leave just marketing specialist. You write about, like, you are good into the digital marketing expert you are, or something which is related to that industry. So आपको keywords कैसे ढूंढने हैं? कीवर्ड्स आर वेरी इजीली अवेलेबल. व्हाट डे टू डे आप जो काम करते हैं उसी में से आपको कीवर्ड्स आपके मिल जाते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ कीवर्ड्स शुड नॉट गो लाइक अ मोर देन 3 words. It should be between 1 to 3 words only. That's so optimize your headline with the keywords properly, because According to me, your headline is the prime real estate on the LinkedIn, which is showing what you're doing. So utilize that properly. Now, the second section is talking about the about section. आपको अपने बारे में लिखना है. So you have to craft a beautiful story which will understand by recruiter कि आपने पहले क्या किया है, आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप कौन से बैकग्राउंड से हो. So basically the question is like who are you, okay, what you are bringing on the table and how and what excites you for that particular role. और आपका विजन क्या है, आपको लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है, that is also important. And same time highlighting your skills, achievement skills, it's very important. So that can go up to 200 to 500 words. So many times I'm suggesting एक पेपर पे और इन द वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट यू कैन राइट अ स्मॉल स्टोरी. आपकी जर्नी कैसे चालू हुई, what is the turning point, what has stopped you, and how you have overcome from this. These are all the achievements you have, the skill set. So everything you have to talk about, and towards the end, most importantly, you have to close the statement like a saying that you have to give the call to action. So call to action about like if someone would like to connect with me, you can reach me on so and so email, or you can simply write like I would like to inviting recruiters to message me on this email. So this way you are completing your story. आप सिर्फ अपने बारे में नहीं बोल रहे हो, at the same time you are giving a call to action, so जिससे recruiters आपसे connect हो जाए. So for example, if I say like a experience into the leading cross functional team to deliver the high impact project on the time and the within the budget. So this is a normal statement which can be used by anyone, but आप अपना flavor उसमें add करके डालिए and then write about section in such a way people will impress आपने क्या काम किया है. So that's the only one thing where you can impress people, about section. Let's jump on the third strategy, that is the feature section. Many time it happens people don't able to understand feature section में डालना क्या है, what we are supposed to do. But don't forget like you have done so many commendable achievements. आपको उसको वहाँ पे डालना है into the image format. If you have won any prize or gift something, you can put that also. You can create your portfolio, or you have created something very unique presentation, okay, where you got the आपको उसके लिए वाहवाही मिली है. So you can put that presentation also. Or if you are not having anything, अपने thoughts particular about that industry on the topic, okay, you can convert into the article on the blogs, you can put it on the LinkedIn. What is the benefit of that? Benefit is like a more you write, more you publish in the feature section, people will start recognizing कि आप कर क्या रहे हो, आपका knowledge उनको समझ में आ रहा है. See, whether you're sitting at home, you're taking a break, that doesn't mean आपका brain नहीं चल रहा, it is not functioning. For that particular industry, you have your own opinion. You're reading, you're still understanding what is happening in the industry. So writing an article on the particular topic, creating a presentation, showcasing what talent you are having, it is very important to add it into the feature section. So any recruiter will come to you and see your profile. They will see the work what you have done. So showcase your best work into feature section, जिससे आपको एक visibility मिले अच्छे से. So we talk about the feature section, जहाँ पे मैंने आपको suggest किया you can update your presentation article. But ये करने के लिए you have to give the consistency. It's not the game of like आपने आज update किया and then another 2 months, 3 months, there is nothing in your section, feature section. So consistency is more important. More you are consistent, more visibility you will have it in front of the recruiter. So आपको regularly, basically I wanted to suggest here, आपको आपका प्लान बनाना है, कैलेंडर बनाना है, जहाँ पे आपको at least weekly basis 2 articles, 2 blogs or any trendy information you have particularly for that industry, you can definitely post into the feature section. But importantly, strategy is fourth strategy, consistency, because consistency is equal to visibility. ये आपको regularly करना है. What will happen? This position you as an active professional in the field. So you will be very active and recruiters will observe this. These are the small things are observed by recruiters. So definitely you will come into the picture and they will understand what contribution you are doing. Let's talk about the strategy number 5, that is engage with the industry leaders. Yes, now industry leaders are having a lot of new trends and they keep posting. So आपका काम क्या है? You have to keep reading their post and importantly, honest feedback or honest reply on that post is important. Other than that, engaging is not only just replying, you have to connect it also those people, because unless and until you will not connect, how the person will understand? So you can build a second connection through the second connection, or through the third connection also. You can connect by writing a very simple message, because here the purpose to connect with the people, not to asking job opportunity, just admiring the what trends they are sharing with us, because ये information हमें कैसे मिलती है? Because of these leaders. So connecting with them and replying on their post and genuinely connect with them rather than keeping any motto मुझे इनसे कुछ job चाहिए. Once they are in your network, if you're posting something, if you're commenting something, they will observe and if they will remember you. So any opportunity, any new role, it's coming in their company, in their friend company or anywhere, they will remember you and they will start recommending you. So build connection, strong connection with the leaders, and which will help you in future. Let's talk about the next strategy, that is the niche LinkedIn group. आपने कभी सोचा है कि LinkedIn पे इतने सारे ग्रुप्स होते हैं, मुझे ज्वाइन करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए? And if I'm joining also, how I have to utilize? So remember, every industry, every particular position, they are having a close circle group, and many leaders, they are part of that group, and they keep posting new things. So if you wanted to develop your network, so joining the niche particular group on the LinkedIn, it's very important. How we do it on the Facebook and the other thing, LinkedIn's groups also equally play very good role. If I wanted to ask any particular question, I want certain insight, so you can always post that question and you will get the lot of good reply from the people. So आपको LinkedIn आपको Google पे search करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, because you are going to get the answer directly from the leaders who have experience, who have gained the knowledge, and ये process से उन लोग जा चुके हैं. So their guidance is the most valuable. So joining a group is like a not only to getting an insight, but you can take care of the networking part also, which is most favorite thing for me. आप networking भी कर सकते हो, you can improve, you can develop your more connection, and then gradually you can write them like I am a so and so person and thank you for connecting with me. And make sure like whenever you are connecting with any new person, nurture those connection, help somehow some way from your side. So as I said, आप एक help करोगे तो return में भी आपको you will get it something. That is a universal rule. So don't look for that कि आपको help लेना है, आपको help ही देना है. So be a part of the some niche group which will help you to develop your network and get the more insight. So that's more important. So be active into 2-3 groups जो actively where the members are more, and actively you can fall into the discussion and you will start getting the more insights. Last strategy, many people ask me why it is required, that is turn on your open to work with the custom message. Yes, many time candidates comes back, no ma'am, we don't want to do this because my employer will come to know, or what people will think, they will compromise with the salary, they will not offer me. So nothing like that. More you showcase to world you're open to work, people will connect with you. आप निगेटिव प्रोस्पेक्टिव से देख रहे हो, बट पॉजिटिव प्रोस्पेक्टिव ये है, people easily connect with you because people understand you're open to work. That means you are easily available. Okay, you are ready to join on the, आप इंटरव्यू के लिए अवेलेबल होंगे, and that will help you to gain, not only to build a network, but आपके पास there are chances you can get the good opportunities also. The thumb rule is like a first come first serve. Okay, जो candidate easily available है, who's falling into the category and ready to available, ready to available in the sense जो जल्दी join कर पाएगा, the employer is also happy. So if you're ready to look for the new opportunity, change the status like you're open to work, and always create a customized message. एक मैसेज रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So if anyone is connecting with you, that message will, you have to share that message with the person. Now time to give you the pro tips like how you can enhance your profile. The first important thing, use LinkedIn skill assessment feature to get verified batches for the key skills. What will happen? Due to that, you will improve your visibility. Second pro tips, keep updating your profile CV regularly, especially picture and the banner, which will represent your personality. Because many times people don't believe on creating a good banner because they just choose randomly. But by having a proper banner where you are adding your name, what exactly role you are handling, and your contact details. If you don't want to disclose your mobile number, you can always give the email ID. What will happen? Person will understand what is your role and what the banner is showcasing. It's the same thing. So that's very important. Your photo, third tips, your photo has to be professional, not into the side way, not into the corner way. It has to be from the front, so recruiters or employer will understand how you look. Showcase. Tip number 4. Okay, many times we believe the profile what you have created, okay, that's the best one, but why can't you cross check with your friends, especially the picture and the banner, does it look good or bad? So accordingly you can bring the modification and you can make changes in your resume. So these are the 4 quick tips which is really require. As I said, if you're making a small changes also, it is very easy. Recruiter will observe and they will connect with you. Let me summarize all 7 LinkedIn strategies. So first we talk about optimizing your headline with the keywords. Second, we talk about like a about section. Craft the story and position yourself into the about section. Third point, we talk about like a feature section. So use feature section wisely. Fourth, I talk about the consistency, which is equal to visibility. So post consistently about your industry. Fifth is like a engage with the industry leader. Sixth is a join LinkedIn niche group specifically about your industry or your role. And the 7th is about the turn on open to work with the custom message. So implement this strategy will only will not make your profile stand out, but also attract the right audience, right recruiter, right employer also. So this is a summary of the 7 advanced LinkedIn strategy. Remember, LinkedIn is not the job board, not like a Naukri and all. It is the professional platform where you can showcase your achievements, skills, and many more. You can do the article writing and you can get the connected with a lot of leaders. So utilize the LinkedIn wisely because it's a very powerful tool and one of my favorite, after the networking, one of my favorite topic to talk on the LinkedIn side also. So guys, if you like such kind of a video and if you're liking this video also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this strategy with people who wanted to start their career or who are willing to change their job, who are looking opportunity in the job. Many time it happens, we are aware of this, but we need somebody to shake up. Okay, so I'm just helping to remembering this point, so you can go back and check your LinkedIn profile and make the modification, and you will start getting noticed by the recruiters. Till the time, thank you and see you in the next video.